Hey, she's back with another video. Hey, she's back with another video. Y'all, so today we having something like a seafood boil. It's not so much of a seafood boil. We got some crab legs. We got some snow crabs. And they so little, I'm so disappointed. They snow crabs. And some crawfish. It's crawfish season. So we in there. We in this piece. I got some, y'all can't see it because my setup is too humongous. But I have my glass, if y'all can read it. I'm living my best life. So, with no further ado, I'm going to go ahead and dig in because I'm hungry. I haven't ate all day. This is my first meal of the day, and I'm so hungry. Yeah, I took my braids down. Yeah. So, I'm about to go ahead and get in. I'm going to start with a snow crab because they are so pretty. They little but pretty. And I'm about to go to work because I'm hungry. Yeah, I don't play with these things right here, baby. I think I kind of overcooked them because the shell kind of soft. But it's okay because I know how to work them. She knows how to work them. Wow, that was a good bite. I love spicy food. I love spicy food. My sauce is a little spicy. I put cayenne pepper in here too. And when I tell y'all I don't leave no meat, I leave absolutely no meat. I get everything. I know y'all can tell I'm hungry today, y'all. I got some, I don't know if I told y'all, but I got some, I know I showed y'all my cup. I'm living my best life. But this is some Minute Maid peach. I'm hungry. I don't know if I'm going to do any talking. I started off talking. I don't know how long it's going to last, but I started off talking, but I'm hungry. So I'm going in. I don't never have nothing to talk about no way. Excuse me. Some people don't eat this part because it's so hard to open, but I told you I don't play. I don't leave nothing. Y'all probably can't see my butter sauce right now, but in a minute when I bring some stuff down over here, I'll bring it in. Baby took them braids down. Y'all see her? Do y'all see her? She took them braids down. Got them crawfish. And yes, I sucked the head. The head is where all the flavor be at. If y'all don't suck the head, y'all sleeping. Seafood is one of my favorite meals, though. I ain't gonna be doing too much talking. Y'all probably don't want to hear me talk no way, because I don't even know how to talk to people. Man, this is good. I let the crawfish soak in that juice for all that flavor. Yeah, some people squeeze their tail. Some people squeeze the tail. Ain't that pretty? Ain't that pretty? Some people squeeze the tail. To get that meat out, I don't got time. I just break mine. I just twist mine. And the whole thing come out. Crawfish is so bomb, especially if you find a place where they cook it right. But see, a lot of times I like to cook my own because I know how I want to season. And I hate when I buy crawfish or any seafood for that matter, and they sauce ain't good. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Don't look like my automatic focus on. There it go. Look at that. Yeah, these frozen crawfish. I usually I love the fresh. I can't wait till I go to New Orleans so I can get some fresh. I want to see what that tastes like. Cause I go to this place where they have them fresh at, but I had these already, so I went on to cook these. Some people squeeze their tail. Look at me out. I don't got time. To me, that take longer. Well, for me, it take longer. I struggle. Oh, that was good. Baby is murdering these crawfish. Oh, that got the best flavor. Dang. Then I'm gonna eat all my crawfish. Crawfish is fire. Couldn't stop eating them. Yeah. Couldn't stop eating them. Baby's professional at this. She professional, honey. She eat enough of them. She, baby. Told you I don't need no meat. If it's in there, I'm getting it. Y'all seen that little baby crab leg? Getting that meat, honey. Got it. Look at that. Look. Y'all would have thought I was in a race the way I'm eating these things. But like I told y'all, I don't play with no seafood. I don't play. And the sauce, man. I always make my sauce the same way. I like that tang. Dang, this is good. You know, to be honest with you, this is one thing it takes me a while to get full on. However, as much as I love them, I get tired of chewing them. I mean, cracking them. Every now and again, y'all may see me eating some blue crab, because I like blue crab too, but Only thing about blue crab or Dungeness crab, it's so much work for that little bitty old piece of meat. They say that about crawfish, but I mean, crawfish ain't hard to crack. Crawfish is not hard to crack. And you get a mouthful. I think so. That's my opinion. I'm gonna put my sauce over here now. There we go. I put soy sauce in my sauce. I always do. I don't like when I gotta work hard. I be ready to put this sucker down, move on to the other. I be ready to put this sucker down and move on to the next. And no, I don't use a crab cracker. I don't got time. Now, when I got all my teeth in my mouth, honey. Wow, did she just drop one? I just had a piece I was going for. I don't know what happened to it, but I'm going to go ahead and crack another one. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna come with Mr. Brown tonight. I mean, of course, y'all know I'm gonna have them. Just not on camera. Let me just say this. I ain't gonna give y'all Mr. Brown every night, but some nights when I'm not so tired, I give y'all Mr. Brown. Cause I know this is the second video I ain't came with Mr. Brown, but I'm pretty tired. I like to lay in my bed with Mr. Brown under my cover, my heated blanket, and watch a good movie with Mr. Brown. You know how some people have blankies and pillows and comfort stuff to put them to sleep? That's what Mr. Brown do to me. I be right in my bed with Mr. Brown. Only time I don't be in my bed with Mr. Brown is when I'm at work. But I have a substitute. I have a cup. I'll introduce y'all to my cup one day that I take to work with me every day with my ice in it. But the other time is when I'm on camera with y'all. But I like to be in my bed. I don't know if I'm slowing down to y'all, but to me, I'm starting to slow down. I'm getting full. Y'all know I'm getting full, right? You know, normally when you're eating, and you start slowing down, there's times of getting full. Yeah, this is the best part of a snow crab. It'd be so sweet. Okay. Well, y'all, I usually eat this part. Look at that. I usually eat this part when I'm full. Yeah, I'm full. So, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Let me just put this down. I'm full. Stop eating when you know you're not. Stop eating. But anyways, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and end this video right here. I'm full. This was delicious, y'all. My butter sauce. I had the butter sauce, my crawfish. Look at that. Some snow crabs. I had my Minute Maid peach, which y'all really know I don't really drink juice and soda.